Hi and welcome back to my channel. Now, with the holiday season fast approaching, let's talk about supporting your digestion before those hearty holiday meals. Now today I'll show you a simple tea blend which I'll explain that can help prepare your stomach. Now this tea uses sage, which I've got here, the wild organic sage, the clove, which is organic clove, and organic marshmallow root. Now sage soothes inflammation and clove supports digestion and reduces bloating, whilst marshmallow root coats and protects the stomach lining. Now here's how to make it. Simply boil 500 ml of water with the marshmallow root, and you only need about a teaspoon of marshmallow root in the 500 ml of water. Bring that to a boil. Once you've done that, you want to simmer that for about 10 to 15 minutes to extract the mucilage from the marshmallow root, which is the soothing agent. And then turn off the fire and steep 1 teaspoon of the sage and 1 teaspoon of the cloves for a gentle brew, or you can add the cloves whilst you're simmering the marshmallow root. And then you remove it from the heat, let it steep for 10 minutes, strain it and enjoy 30 minutes before a meal. Now, this is perfect for preventing indigestion and keeping your stomach happy during holiday feasts. So these herbs are great in terms of helping your digestive system through those festive holidays where we're eating all kinds of foods. And you can find them available organically at naturalworkshops.com, where you can get 50% off all your wildcrafted and organic herbs to get you started on your herbal journey. So check out the description for the link. And I'll also add a link for those who are serious health seekers in terms of maintaining your well-being using natural solutions, where we have a community of people who congregate there to share their experience, to learn, and also for Q&A and remedies and just some insights as to where to get started on this Telegram group, which is free to join, and I'll add the link there as well. So thank you so much for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, but do share the information in these videos, including this one, with others, and make sure you hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on my daily tips and information on how to maintain a healthy life and body, and check out some of the herbs for different ailments and solutions to maintain your well-being. So thank you so much for watching. Appreciate you tuning in. Until then, stay happy, be helpful, of course, and always be wise.